This is a real human cadaver showing the female reproductive organs. Here we can see the uterus, which is a pear-shaped muscular organ located in the pelvic cavity, and its main function is to support pregnancy and fetal development. On both sides of uterus, we can observe the fallopian tubes. The lateral end of each fallopian tube shows fimbriae, which help in picking up the ovum from the ovary. Adjacent to fimbriae, the ovaries are visible. Here we can see that these are the ovaries, and they are responsible for the production of ova and female hormones like estrogen and progesterone. This is the fimbriated part of the fallopian tube. After that, in this dissection, we can also clearly see the peritoneal pouches. The anterior pouch between the uterus and the urinary bladder is called the vesicouterine pouch. We can see that. And the posterior pouch between the uterus and the rectum is known as the rectouterine pouch, also known as the pouch of Douglas, which is the deepest peritoneal pouch in females. Now, another specimen of the female reproductive organ. This is the urinary bladder, and this is the anterior abdominal wall. We can see that, and this is the uterus. Okay, fundus of uterus, and the anterior pouch. We can see that this is the fallopian tubes. These are the fimbriated part of the fallopian tube, and adjacent to that, we can see the ovaries. Now, this is the peritoneal posterior pouch. We can see that pouch of Douglas, and after that, this is the vagina, external os, and the uterus. Now the specimen is held in its anatomical position, orientation, maintaining the axis of uterus and vagina, demonstrating the uterus in an anteverted and anti-flexed position. This has been asked so many times, so you have to keep this in mind. So thank you.